Hello students, this one is digital documentation part B, unit number 3. In this video we will see what is word processor, how to create a document in word processor, how to save it. This is the learning outcome of session 1. Here we will see few of the features as like introduction to word processing application, create a document, parts of word processing window, cursor and mouse pointer. On the same moment, in the practical, we will see list of few of the word processing application, introducing the parts of the main window, start a new document, open a new document or open an existing document, save and close. Okay, let's proceed. Here in session 1, we will see this particular topic only, create a document using a word processor. So what is word processor? It is itself a software program which through which text can be formatted and prepared for printing on paper. Until and unless we are not typing our text in our computer system, that will be called as physical text. But when we are typing it on the system using word processor, it becomes digital document. So through this software, any text can be formatted and prepared for printing on a sheet of paper. It also allows you to type text, make corrections if it is needed without retyping the entire matter, and has features to make the text look attractive. हम लोग अपने इस वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर में अगर कोई टेक्स्ट को टाइप किए हैं तो उसको हम लोग करेक्शन भी कर सकते हैं एज पर आवर नीड। उसके लिए हम लोग को दूसरी बार पूरे मैटर पर लिखना नहीं पड़ेगा और हम लोग अपने टेक्स्ट को अट्रैक्टिव भी बना सकते हैं। ओके, few of the word processing softwares were ओपन ऑफिस, जो हम लोग को इस सेशन में देखना है, ओपन ऑफिस राइटर, एमएस वर्ड, देन गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट, गूगल ड्राइव, नोटपैड, वर्डपैड एंड मेनी अदर। ठीक है, हम लोग को इसमें ओपन ऑफिस राइटर को देखना है जो कि डेस्कटॉप बेस्ड होगा। हम लोग उसका एंड्रॉयड वर्जन में भी काम करेंगे। ओके, सी how to start, what are the steps? I think all of you know how to start it, but once again I am giving you the steps. Click on the start button, then go to all programs, then click on the software whatever you are having. At present I am having LibreOffice. Okay, if you are having Microsoft Office, then you have to click on MS Office. If you are having Open Office, click on Open Office. After that, after clicking on the particular software, we have to click on the particular part. As like in this case, we have to go to writer. When we will open the writer, the components, the page, the area where we will work upon will look like this. It include at the top title bar, followed by menu bar. In the title bar we are having the name of that file, that means the title. Then on the rightmost end, minimize, maximize and close. These three buttons we are also having. जब तक हम लोग का फाइल सेव नहीं होगा तब तक यहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा अनटाइटल्ड। जैसे हम लोग एक बार फाइल को सेव कर लेंगे ये अनटाइटल्ड रिप्लेस हो जाएगा बाय द नेम वी विल यूज। इफ वी विल यूज Ramesh, then the file name will be Ramesh instead of untitled one. Okay. उसके बाद menu bar, the second line is menu bar, which includes different menus in it, followed by standard toolbar. The different commands we are having inside these menus, they are giving in shortcut in this standard toolbar. After that we are having the formatting toolbar where we are allowed to format our text as like bold, italic, underline. Size of the text we can change. On the same moment we can change the particular font. Then this one is the work area where we have to write our text. इस एरिया में जो white portion है यहाँ पे हम लोग अपने टेक्स्ट को लिखते हैं और हम लोग उसके साथ काम करते हैं। ठीक है। In the side we are having sidebars. Then this particular portion is called as scroll bar. Vertical and horizontal two scroll bars we are having. This part is called as the ruler. ये सबको अभी हम लोग लाइव भी देखेंगे। This one is ruler. After that status bar we are having. What is the use of status bar? It is generally used to show the status of your page. That means the caps lock is on, insert mode is on, which font you are using. Okay, this is the size of increasing and decreasing of the text area. Okay, let us open and see them one by one. See, this one is our OpenOffice screen, OpenOffice Writer. At the top we are having title bar along with these three buttons. Okay, minimize, restore and maximize and close. Then the file menus, edit menu, view menu, insert menu, ये सब अलग अलग menu है। After that this line is called as the standard toolbar. यहाँ पे देखिए print, open, save and many other commands, many other tools were there, followed by formatting toolbar. यहाँ पे हम लोग साइज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज कर सकते हैं बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस पार्ट। यहाँ से हम लोग अपने हिसाब से साइज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज करेंगे। Followed by BIU, bold, italic, underline. Okay, then this one is the text area. See, the particular part which is blinking here, that is called as cursor, and the part I am moving is called as mouse pointer. ये जो मेरे हाथ से मूव हो रहा है इसको कहते हैं माउस पॉइंटर। और यहाँ जो ब्लिंक कर रहा है जिसके सामने हम लोग अपने टेक्स्ट को लिखेंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल राम इज ए गुड बॉय। ये देखिए कर्सर उसके साथ चल रहा है। दैट मीन्स एट प्रेजेंट यू आर इन दिस प्लेस एंड you can increase or decrease the size of these fonts with the help of your formatting toolbar. देखिए ये 12 साइज में है at present. I am increasing it to 18. See, the size of this text is changed. Followed by we can change any of the font related to it. Okay. Then this part is called as the ruler. ये आपका रूलर है जहां पे हम लोग टेक्स्ट एरिया को मैनेज करते हैं यहां से लेके यहां तक। दिस वन इज लेफ्ट मोस्ट एंड, दिस वन इज राइट मोस्ट एंड। इसके बीच में ही आपका ये देखिए वर्क एरिया काम करेगा. Whenever you will reach to this particular end, the cursor will automatically go to the next line. Okay. Then this one is the scroll bar. We are having scroll bars, and the last line is status bar, and the last one is taskbar, which is not a part of OpenOffice Writer. It is desktop part. ठीक है. Our next topic is, we have already started. Now we want to save. See here, it is untitled written. I am clicking on file menu, going to the save as command. One dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, we have to write a name. For example, as I had given you the example of Ramesh, I am giving a file name as Ramesh and clicking on the save button. We will see that our file will be saved, and the name, see here, ramesh.odt. Ramesh is the name of the file. ODT is the extension for writer. ODT, ये बहुत important question है. What is the extension name of OpenOffice Writer or LibreOffice Writer? It will be .odt. Okay. Now we had saved our file. We want to open the same file. Let us close the file. How to close? We can close it from this area, or we can close it from file menu and exit. See, this one is the file we had created just now. I am double clicking over it. It will just open and we will get the text. See, Ram is a good boy. अभी हम लोग लिखे थे, वो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ आ गया. This one is opening a existing file. ठीक है, हम लोग किसी फाइल को जो पहले सेव किया हुआ है उसको हम लोग ओपन कर सकते हैं. उसके अंदर हम लोग कंटेंट ऐड कर सकते हैं. डेमो सेशन फॉर क्लास 9. टॉपिक इंट्रोडक्शन टू वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग. ठीक है, आई एम सेविंग इट. सी, सेव. फर्स्ट टाइम जब हम क्लिक किए थे सेव करने के लिए, फाइल मेनू, सेव एज. Now next time onward, no need to click on file menu and save as. Directly go to this part and save your file as, because file name is already given. Okay. So here we had seen the different parts of OpenOffice Writer. How to open a new document, how to open an existing document, how to save a file, how to close, and what is the difference between cursor and the mouse pointer. Okay, let us go back. This one is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet with few more topics of this particular Unit 3 digital documentation in our next video. Thank you for watching this.